Look, told them this too easy, got no chance. Thought I told them twice, but I don't think they understand.
Today I got my buddy helping me do a leveling kit on a 2019 Chevy Silverado. He's the master on this kind of stuff.
No,
so.
I'm not.
So now our plan has changed to go ahead and do the leveling kit with brake pads. Since we're already broken it down, I'm gonna replace them now since we're halfway done already.
Yeah, I had it open and like, I'll fucking do it. Damn.
That's what we're here for. Extra work.
The shock, the tower is under this, so I gotta take this off. So what I need is, no fucking, it's all plastic and shit. I think I gotta take this off and then the screws on the bottom. So, because we gotta, okay, we gotta take the area intake out also, and there it is. Those
Looks a little filthy dirty here.
3 screws or bolts, whatever you want to call them, on the top. He's getting the ones that are holding it down to the bottom so we could get to the tower head of the strut.
Yeah. And something's not working.
Yeah. Oh. So it looks like that has to come off before we could pull that thing out of here. That was a pain in the ass, but look at that. Strut tower.
That'd be a lot easier.
It's just got a little plastic. Okay, okay. Fucking gotta make this complicated, don't you, motherfuckers? There we go. Okay. It's because they're just trying to push stuff away from the like exhaust and shit. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm just gotta start unbolting shit, yeah. All right. So now let's go get the parts and let's get the tools. Got to get the tools we need to do this and take a little coffee break.
This one we have to take the fender off this part.
You think so? All right.
Because that's gonna come off.
Oh yeah, so we are gonna, hold on. Yeah, we are gonna have to do something to get that because there's one back there that I gotta get to. So let me look at the top real quick.
No, it's a fucking mess.
I'll have to take the battery. Oh, it's right there where the battery is.
Oh yeah?
This is where power would be nice, and I think I'm gonna have to.
I keep recording myself.
You keep doing it the wrong way.
Yeah, I keep going the wrong way. Next,
I'm doing the ball joint right here. That should bring this whole piece down with the jack. That way, no one's getting hurt.
bolts on the top are off and bolts on the bottom are off. Now, next one.
Now for the important part. Anyway, this lefty loosey righty tighty. Hold on.
Hang on. There we go.
So it looks like Efren figured out how to take this off. It was just spinning. I was trying to put pressure. He was trying to put pressure on it down first. It wasn't doing anything. It was just spinning. He ended up pushing pressure up on top of this and it held it together and I was able to get it. So there you go. Next one down. So now I gotta remove that right here. Bolt is right here. And that's how, and that should be number 19 and metric will work. Cool, cool. Here we go.
We're getting there.
Slowly but surely.
We got a visitor today. Here we go. We got an extra pair of eyes and ears.
Returning visitor, and hey, he is the owner of
Stitcher Airwing Services or whatever it is.
that's Leonard's shop.
And, yeah.
Get your orders in,
Come get
guys.
your hat.
Soon to be on the channel eventually
Yeah,
too.
we'll get you guys order for your stitchery.
Pretty much. It goes on top of this.
You sure? I think it goes under. No, you're right.
Yeah, but they're different holes. Hold on.
That's what she keeps saying.
Right?
And it doesn't fit.
This is the one we're supposed to order. Well, it fucking looks like my camera guy figured it out. And my friend. Turn it around and introduce yourself, Efren.
Heck yeah, we're working teamwork here. We need 3 people to get this shit
3
together.
people to make one fucking brain.
Yeah. And we still gotta order your airways stitches.
Yeah.
Again, I see myself over.
Okay, now we put the top on it. There it is. Bolts right on. Tighten down the spring so it hopefully goes up a little easier. All right. Wait. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Now I just gotta get it in this spot here. Might have to tighten it a little more actually.
Anyway, I don't think it's gonna go in.
I have to tighten it more. So. Shit. Wait. Oh.
I think it's all fucked up shit, Israel.
We're gonna get it. It's all that matters. An epic fail on our part.
All right, here we go.
Well, it was an epic fail. Couldn't move this part right here to adjust for the other one, twisting that without ripping the bushing. I don't want to do that. You'll have to get new shocks. It's not a total fail. We're gonna do with brakes. These, first time doing the Chevy. There's little clips right here and right here. You pull those off and these slide right out. And the brakes just slide out. That's how easy it is. Well, actually here, between the disc and the pad, and it'll start pulling it apart a little bit. Just give it a little gap. Right here, go over here. Give it a little gap, it pulls it from the brake thing. Okay?
There we go.
So then I come over here, and where to go? And push it in until it pulls it back that way. So that kind of, you just got to keep working it until it pushes the cylinders back in. There, and that's it. Now I should have enough room to pop the other brakes in now. So now, slide these out. These are kind of stuck, so I just get a screw.
Because they opened up?
No, because they're kind of rusted in there. So I just come up here, pull it out, and then I don't have anything to pull it. Then I have to push the other one out, and then the other one will slide right in. There you go. And look at this. Slides right out.
Oh.
This is so much easier than mine. Mine, I have to take this off. All right, now I gotta go get the brakes.
Here we go.
Second brakes. This one goes. There it is. So now I put this metal thing back on. No, I want a new one. Look at the oil. Where's that hole? There it is. There it is. Okay. There's one. Ahora el otro.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay. Cool. That one struggled a little, motherfucker.
That's it?
Yeah. Pin number 1. Again, pinches holes.
Oh, it's right here on the top, dude.
Yeah, here, let me. Where'd it go? Where's the better one? This was the one I'm looking for. I was closed off. So, yeah, so on the top piece up.
Yeah, the bare middle.
Okay. Okay, there's one.
One pin in.
One pin in. There, right there.
All right.
Cool. So that's done. Now I just go push the brakes so it locks in and make sure it's good. Brakes hard. Right there.
Missed out the part.
There it is. You can hear him touching this thing now. Cool. Now just put it together. Right there.
Look, told him this too easy, got no chance. Thought I told him twice, but I don't.
After all the struggles today, we top it off with the spilled coffee that we
I
enjoyed.
spilled Efren's coffee from this morning.